Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do not have any makeup on, so y'all already know what time it is. But yeah, this is gonna be a chit chat. Get ready with me because I feel like talking. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about, but I just feel like talking. And plus, I haven't talked to y'all since the last chit chat. Get ready with me, and that was like that was last year around this time. It's been a while, and I know y'all been asking for more makeup tutorials, so y'all finna get one. I really hate doing my eyebrows on camera because I'm one of them people who do really messy eyebrows and then clean it all up with concealer, but nobody knows that. And I'm not ashamed, okay? Because in the end, it looks bomb. I just did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. Eyebrows are really hard to do while talking, so I just decided to skip that part. I have an eyebrow tutorial if you want to see it. Just click this link up here. But yeah, let's talk about how life has been going, because I'm excited to tell you guys what transitions I've made in my life. If you have been following me in my social media, you probably have noticed that I have like so much more time on my hands and whatnot. I decided to make the transition to go ahead and start doing school online instead of at my regular public school. And the reason for that is because I was stressed the out, but that's just how it was. I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette and I'm just using colors. I don't know why this year has been so stressful. Well, not like 2018, but the school year, it's been really stressful, and I was just like, why the heck am I this stressed out? So let me just run you guys through like what a regular day in Moravia's life at school looks like. I would wake up around 5 o'clock in the morning, get ready for school. First of all, 5 o'clock in the morning? Are you serious? Like, no ma'am. Your brain isn't even fully awake at that time. So why do people feel the need to make us go to school at 7? Matter of fact, why do I have to wake up 2 hours before school? Let me just tell you. So my school starts at 7:15 in the morning. I had to catch the bus to school. Keep in mind, I've been going to the school for about 3 years now. So, I started high school out here. I wanted to end it there. Like, so we got a new principal this year, and the school got so freaking ghetto. It just don't make no sense. We cannot go a day without it being some type of fight, some type of argument, some type of mama coming up there hitting kids with baby strollers. Like, come on now, where did they do that at? Nowhere but Memphis, I wasn't in the drama, so it wasn't like me, but there was so much going on that you felt like you were in the drama. Like, you couldn't go anywhere without hearing, oh, this B word said this, that B word said that. Like, it was so, no, I didn't want to go there anymore. So back to my rundown of school. I would wake up at 5 in the morning, get ready, rush myself. I wouldn't even eat breakfast, and that didn't really matter to me because I'm not a breakfast person, but breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I should be able to eat breakfast if I wanted to, but I wasn't able to because I didn't have time. And that just frustrated me, even though I didn't eat breakfast. So I would get to the bus stop around 6 o'clock in the morning. My bus driver would come at 6:10 or something, 6:05, and bus drivers don't care about you. They know you coming, but they will pull off and leave you if you ain't there when they want you to be there. And that was just so stupid to me. Like, are you serious? You see me sitting here getting out the car, but you want to leave me anyway. I would get to school around 7 o'clock. And school would start around 7:15. So from 7 to 7:15, I'm just sitting in class because I don't hang around with people in the hallways. I know that's what everybody else do, but I'd be chilling. I'd be in my room. I mean, not in my room. In my classroom, just sitting there on the phone, listening to music, just, looking at YouTube videos and stuff like that. Because that's what I do. But other kids, they be in the hallways, starting drama. Every time I'm sitting in the classroom, school ain't even started yet. Why are people fighting? It's too freaking early in the morning. Where did you get all this energy from? They eat breakfast, Maravia. What do you mean, where'd they get the energy from? I don't care. It's 7 in the morning. I don't want to see y'all fighting. So basically, I would have to sit in school for 8 hours. I got out at 2:15. The bus didn't pull off until 2:25, sometimes 2:30. I wouldn't get to my uncle's house till 3 o'clock. Get to my house 3:15. Have to be at work at 4 o'clock. I would barely have time to eat anything. Not to mention school lunch is disgusting, so I wasn't eating that mess. They gave us chicken every day. Like, oh my god, I'm so tired of chicken, it don't make no sense. I'd be at work for 5.5 hours. I get off at 9:30, wouldn't get home till 10. I mean, I'd eat dinner. And then, you know, if you're a good student, you're up doing your homework, I don't know, 2-3 hours. That's what, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. And people did not see how stressed I was until I had strictly stayed up all night looking for an alternative, because I could not deal with going to school like that. I would not, like, I would dread coming to school. I hated it. Like, it was so horrible. It was just not good. I shouldn't have to go through all that just to go to school. And people would always be like, Moravia, why aren't you at school? Da, 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 da. And do you know how freaking annoying that was? Like, I'm sorry. Are you my parent? No? Okay, so why are you at, like, people I didn't even talk to. Like, why are you in my business like that? That was just so annoying. So basically, they just got me going off on people left to right, because they all up in my business asking me about school, and I'm just like, who are you? So I stayed up all night one day, and I found this thing called Connections Academy, and I was just like, wow, this seems interesting, because I was just done at that point. I was like, oh my god, I can't do this anymore. I got on YouTube, and I was just looking to see, like, did other people have these problems? Because, you know, I was just feeling like I was the only one. Like, there were so many people going through similar stuff that I had went through, but they were actually taking action on it. Like, they went and found other alternatives that I didn't even know were possible. I might sound slow, but I thought online school, you had to pay for it, or it was just for college. Like this thing called Connections Academy, but I couldn't do it because it wasn't in my state. And it was just so annoying when I heard that. I was like, what? It's not in my state? Are you freaking kidding me? I found another thing that was just like Connections Academy, but it was like from my state. And I was like, wow, that's nice. I just never looked into stuff like that because I never felt the need to till this year. This year has really taken a toll on me. Like, and I basically told my mom, like, right away, and she was like kind of on track, but she was kind of like, what the heck? You know, I mean, every parent's gonna be like, why, like, you know, what's your reasonings? Why do you want to do this? It's hard to convince her to let me do it. My dad, on the other hand, he needed a little bit of convincing, but I got it down eventually. At the end of the day, it's my education. And I know, like, what's best for me, you know, because I'm the one doing it. They obviously got to see where you're coming from. I mean, like, you're not just going to wake up one day and be like, hey, I really want to go to school online. It's not going to be for everybody, just saying that now. A lot of people, they're going to, you know, miss their friends and be lost. I mean, I'm an independent learner, so I don't really have this problem. I have a handful of friends, and my friends are, like, graduating this year. So at the end of the day, I'm losing them whichever way it goes. So it wasn't really a big deal to me. When they're free, they still come to my house. You know, like, all my real friends do that. So I'm not missing out on anything by going to school online. Like, all my friends, I didn't have 1,000 friends to start with. So it wasn't really, you know, nothing new. Not like I went to school and talked to 1,000 people. Now, if you do, you're probably going to struggle with that. You're probably going to get lonely being in your house all day. But the upside is you can do your freaking work anywhere. If you want to go to Africa and meet 1,000 other people, go to Africa and you'll still be able to do your work. Like, it still amazes me till today to find out that I can just sit in my bed all day in my pajamas and do work that 1,000 other people have to go to school and learn and sit in the classroom for 8 hours and do, with the teacher hovering over your shoulder. It's just, like, why am I just not finding out about this? Even though I didn't have 1,000 friends, I did lose a couple friends. Because, you know, you always have those school friends who are only your friends at school, you know? And I lost a lot of those, but I can do without those, you know? One thing I can say is that since I'm in the house so much, I'm so much nicer to people when I see people, you know, because being in the house, you don't really see anybody. And then when you go out and see people or people come over, you're like, oh my gosh, a person. Other than that, I've just been chilling in life pretty much. I've been thinking about quitting my job because I had to figure out I really don't like working for other people. Like, I really want to just have my own company and, you know, do stuff myself. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of company I work at, whether it's fast food, retail, whatever. I'm still gonna want to do it myself, and that's just something I had to realize. Like, I want to be like a self-made entrepreneur. I don't want to work under anybody else's titles and names and blah 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 and move shoes all day and freaking tell people what brand they should wear. Like, wear my brand. Like, that's that. I gotta do that really soon. I have a sewing machine, I have all types of stuff. I just need to get the motivation to like do it. I don't know if people would actually like buy my stuff, but I would be proud just to say like, oh my god, I did it. So yeah, I'm excited for stuff like that. And I'm also excited about 2018. Like, I really want to get all my goals done. Like, I've written them out on paper, so let it be written, so let it be done. Okay, this year I'm on go mode, like, for real. I just finished my eyeshadow. It looks like this and it's gorgeous. I'm striving for nothing but greatness this year, and I know I look a hot mess right now saying this, but let me just blend in my lotion before I start talking mess. I'm going to be putting out great videos this year. I've started a blog. It's so hard to stay motivated. Like, there's so many obstacles like that hit me up and down and up and down and up and down, and I'm just, oh my god. I never knew how hard it was to start a blog. Like, I started a blog I don't know, a month ago, and I haven't posted anything but the contact page. I really didn't have time to do it, but now I ain't got nothing but time. I don't even really want to do concealer today. I just want to do something basic. So, like, to be real with you guys, I don't be going anywhere. I make videos because I like doing makeup. So honestly, where do I have to go? I mean, I don't go to school, don't go anywhere but to work, and I'm not putting on a full face of makeup to go to work. I mean, I used to, but like, I'm so over it now. Like, my job is killing me. Like, I really just want to have my own company and just do my own thing, because this working for other people's stuff is just not gonna get it. Like, I hate when people at work be like, find something to do. Like, sis, we don't even have any customers right now. Talking about find something to do. Somebody caught an attitude with me like last week, and I thought me and that person at work was cool, but she really had me really messed up. Like, y'all just don't know. I really wanted to just walk out the door, but I couldn't, because, you know, I took the higher road, okay? Like, basically what happened was there was this customer walk in, and I said, hey, how are you doing? You know, like a regular retail associate. Hey, how are you? Welcome to Shoe Carnival. And she was all like, she didn't hear you. Girl, when I say the lady heard me, she heard me. She was on the phone and she waved at me, and this girl had the nerve to tell me she didn't hear me. Like, sis, she heard me. Did you hear me? Like, goodbye. And then she had the nerve to tell me I had an attitude. Honey, you got an attitude first. I got a customer calling telling me to look up this shoe for her, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. I'm writing down the shoe number on this piece of paper that means nothing to nobody, but she had the nerve to tell me, oh, don't write on that paper anymore. You're not supposed to write on those. It's paper. Like, what were you going to do with the paper? Oh, nothing, but don't write on those ever again. Why are you on your period? Like, I really wanted to slap her. I'm sorry, but that's just what was going through my mind. Like, I really wanted to slap her. Mario Badescu, best stuff ever. But yes, I kept my cool, but she had me really messed up. Kept going back and forth with me, trying to find something to pick on me about, and it was like so annoying, because like, I wasn't doing anything wrong. She was just trying to find something. You know, when people don't have nothing bad to say, so they just look back and forth for something they can yell at you about. Like, I hate when people do that. But yeah, I'm just going in with my highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy. This is my favorite highlighter. Like, and it's so cheap. Like, it was like $6 or something, but it's the best one. Like, do y'all see this glow? Yes, I know. But guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked the little chit chat we had. Some things have been on my mind lately, and I don't know who else to talk to about it, because honestly, your friends aren't there when you need them. And there's only so many times you can tell your friends the same thing. So I'm coming to you guys with it. So if you want more like talks about stuff in life and whatnot, just leave a vote up here and I'll keep doing those. Plus, I just really like chit chat. Get ready with me so you can keep up with what's been going on with me in my life, and I don't have to like disappear and you guys don't know what happened. I don't know what kind of look this is, but I'm really liking it. I just look 7, like, oh my god, I look like a little Powerpuff Girl. But I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. That's all I got for you guys. Please enjoy these slow clips of me being cute.